Hey guys, it's Kia here. It is not Fenty Friday because I couldn't get the video up last Friday when it came out, but it is what I call my Wild Wednesday, where I bring to you new fresh products on the market that I love to try out, and I try my hardest to bring them to you on Wednesday. Not always the case, but that's what I have in store for what I would like to do. Anyway, today what I'm bringing you is two products from the Fenty Beauty line. I got the first thing I got was the Fenty Beauty STALK'R Instant Warmth Bronzer, and this is the packaging that it came in. And then I also got the Killawatt Foil and Penny for Your Thoughts, and they both came in like similar packaging. The only difference is the STALK'R comes with like a rose gold little label. Story on Fenty before I get into the two new products. I am not a big I love Rihanna. I'm not a big fan of the Fenty Beauty line because it's just been hard for me to find my exact shade. However, I do have on her foundation and her concealer today. As you see, I'm coming on with my base face. I have on the foundation shade in 450 and the concealer in, I think, 380. I mixed 380 and 420 together to give my under eye highlight. Now, I do not like the concealer and I don't love the foundation. However, I decided for this video, I'm going to come back today and test it out. Not even really test it out. I just wanted to play in it again and try her new product. So that's what I'm bringing to you today. The STALK'R Instant Warmth Bronzer. This is the product right here. First off the bat, I love the packaging. I think this is gorgeous. I love rose gold. It is like my favorite jewel tone. I think it's so much sleeker compared to the Penny for Your Thoughts. So Penny for Your Thoughts just comes in like a, this is shiny. So like some of her products come with a matte top. The top of this is shiny, but the back of it is matte. So that off the bat, I love the difference in her bronzers. The STALK'R Instant Warmth Bronzer comes in 8 shades and will run you $30 at Sephora. This shade is a Mocha Mommy, is a very deep shade with warm red undertones. It says that it's a long-wearing, transfer-resistant bronzing powder, each carefully curated to bring all skin tones to life. This is smooth, creamy, and easy to blend. This light as air bronzer gives you a sun-soaked glow that stays put all day. Whether you're looking for warmth or contouring, it does it all with a perfect soft matte finish. Now, off the bat, when I went into the store, the shade I swatched the last two shades, which was Cocoa Naughty and Mocha Mommy. I decided to go with Mocha Mommy because I felt like with the Cocoa Naughty, I would have to go in a lot because swiping on my hand, it was just a tad bit darker than me on my hand, but I felt like I would have to do more work to show up. Whereas if I got the Mocha Mommy, I can go in with the light hand, and I assume, or I'm praying that it gives me the warmth that I need. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in with this first to bronze our face. I don't understand how they think you can contour with this because it's too red to contour. I feel like when I contour with a more of a neutral undertone, if that makes any sense. The new Killawatt Foil, and I got this shade in Penny for Your Thoughts, and this will run you $30. The new Killawatt, I think this is the only Killawatt that she came out with. I know she came out with a highlighter, and I think she came out with like some body glow. I'm just not me. Anyways, so this is a metallic burnt copper. This is a color that I love. I normally go with this shade. I have other shades like from the drugstore similar to this, but I wanted to see how this would look on my eye. Actually, I wanted to put it on my eyes and use it as a blush and a highlight and see how that comes out. This says it's a weightless, long wear cream to powder hybrid highlighter. This is a solo form with a hyper metallic finish in a range of shades designed for all skin tones. It says Killawatt Foil has the same creamy texture as the original in a new mega reflective foil-like finish. These buildable color rich luminizers come in rule defying shades that look killer on all skin tones. This cream to powder hybrid melts into skin and blends with almost zero effort. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch Penny for Your Thoughts and Mocha Mommy on my hand so that you can just see what it looks like. So off bat, it does seem creamy. And this is my hand. I'm going to go ahead and this is Mocha Mommy. So on Penny for Your Thoughts, off the bat, I love the gold. I'm going to swatch it right here. I love the gold highlight, you know, burnt copper shade. I just think that's gorgeous. So first what I'm going to do is go ahead and I want to go ahead and use Penny for Your Thoughts all over my lid just to see how that look. I'm going to go on with a big eyeshadow brush and just tap that in. Oh, it has big gold flakes. Oh, let's see. So let's go put this on the eyelid. I'm going to tap it in. Oh, it's pretty. Off the bat, I do not like the big gold flakes. I think this brush might be a little too big. Oh, no, here we go. I got it. So it has a lot of fallout. It could be the brush I'm using. Let me zoom in a little bit. I don't know if you can see right up under my eye. You can see it has a lot of fallout from this shade. And I don't know, I'm going to use a different brush on the other eye. But normally when I do my one shadow shades, I go on with a big brush like this. I feel like it diffuses it a lot for me, where I don't have to go in and do a whole lot of work. This is usually on my rush days. So that is what the eye with the Penny for Your Thoughts looks like on the lid. Now, I don't like the chunks so far. I don't think I would like that on my lid. Let me find a blending brush just to blend that out. And you really don't have to. I find that when I go in with a larger dome brush, I don't have to blend out much. So I actually might wear it on the lid. That's what that looks like. I'm going to try a smaller brush just to see about how to pack it on if it doesn't leave out and if it doesn't have a whole lot of fallout like it just did, because that was a lot of fallout. I'm going to go in with a small, what is this? A small shadow brush. And let's see how that. Hoping that the big glitter chunks are only the top layer of the shadow. This is it right here. And we're going to go on this eye. It's like I love this color. I just hate. Yeah, it has a lot of fallout. And I have to dig deep in the pan to really get some shadow. And maybe because it's not supposed to use this eyeshadow. But I just feel like why not? As you can see right here. I actually really like that on my lid. This might be my little springtime look. Despite the fallout. And I feel like I have fallout on a lot of stuff. So it's just, and I think that's why I do my eyes first. Just because I don't want the fallout to mess up my foundation. So we're just going to go in and blend it out. Just blow it out a little bit. So, like so. I'm going to go on with this BH Cosmetic brush. And I'm just going to oh. That's a lot. Look at that. Can you see it? Oh. I'm scared. Okay, I'm scared. Okay. Oh, I think I like it. Oh, I think I'm in love. You just need a light hand. Look at that. Look at that. So this is the side with the bronzer, Mocha Mommy, and this is the side without. Now you still see, what I probably should have done is went under with my concealer like I normally do, so that you can see it without it, but look at how that just warms up my face. Now, you do only need to dip it in there one time. I'm gonna go up there. Oh, I think I like this. Oh. I'm gonna zoom out in a minute so that you can see. Let me zoom out just a little bit, so that you can see my whole face. Now I'm gonna go under my chin, just to bring some warmth back to my face. And I'm gonna go on my forehead. Oh, that was a lot. Okay. Oh, I think I love this. Just warm up a little bit more. And you really don't need to. I just feel like I OD on stuff. Oh, I think I can use this. And I don't even need to contour because I'm kind of over contouring lately. I just feel like it's a lot. But I like bringing the warmth back to my face. Look at that. Oh, that looks good. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of it, which I'm really scared to do. But I'm going to take a little bit of it and go down the sides of my nose. This doesn't pick up too much product. I'm going to go down the sides of my nose just to warm that up. Look at that. And I feel like it's not super duper harsh. What do y'all think? I don't think I wanted too much right there. See, that's my problem. I get OD on stuff. Let me take the big brush and just brush that out a little bit. Let's see. Oh my god, I just love this. I just love the tan that it gives me. Going with Penny for Your Thoughts, and we're going to use that as just a little bit of blush. Okay, I'm trying to use this Moda blush brush. Let's see. Okay, that's not gonna work. Let's go in with a little highlighter brush. Let's see. I could have done without this shade. To be honest, I could have just bought the yeah. I'll probably take this back if you want to be honest. I feel like let's see, we're about to plan something. Let's find something out. You can't really, it doesn't add anything else to what I already done. I don't see anything. I see a little something, but I honestly could have, like, I don't know if you guys can, I have fallout. I don't know if it picks it up, but I have fallout all on my shirt from the yeah, I'm taking it back. It's like fallout everywhere. Oh my god, I have it like all over my clothes. No. Let's try one more thing with the penny for your thoughts. I'm gonna go in with my finger and see if I get a different result. I'm pressing it on my lid. So this is my final look using the Mocha Mommy and the penny for your thoughts. My final thoughts on this is, I'm sticking to my drugstore highlighter, but that has nothing to do with this video. Okay, I'm sorry. I definitely love the Mocha Mommy bronzer. This could easily become my everyday bronzer, especially for the spring and the summertime. I feel like it just brings everything, my whole look together, besides the over highlighting under my contouring that I did today. Don't pay that no attention. But no, that could easily become my everyday bronzer. But as for the penny for your thoughts, this is a no-go for me. I think it was a waste of my $36. I'm definitely taking this back to go get my money back. But I will definitely be using, I hate that it's dirty already. I will definitely be using the Mocha Mommy. What do you guys think? I think that it was soft, like they said, it was soft, it was velvety, it was creamy, it went on smoothly, it didn't look like it skipped. Like, you know how sometimes, what bronzer is that? It's a drugstore bronzer. The CoverGirl Queen Collection, when I would put it on, it would sometimes skip. And you have to go in and dig. As you saw, I just tapped the brush and went in with it. I love the way it bronzed my face. I love the way it brought my makeup look together. I'm actually loving the foundation with this. Let's see if it lasts. I'm going to wear it for a couple of days and we're going to see how this goes. Love this clean look that I have today. Like, this is an everyday clean look. Again, I'm not keeping the penny for your thoughts. So I'll find something else to put on my eyes to give me this same effect. But other than that, I am loving this Rihanna bronzer. Do I think that she should have came out with more shades? Yes. However, I'm glad that it was inclusive, and I'm glad that it included me. So I'm not complaining. I found something that works for me with a light hand. I feel like if you go in with the wrong brush, if you go in with a dense brush or a heavy hand, of course it's going to come off too dark. But I realized for my shade range, which is like the deep 400s, this is perfect. It gives you just enough redness, just enough bronzing to tie everything in together. Like, if you look, it just, we go together. Like, we go together. Yes. So anyways, thank you for tuning into my video. I'm not trying to keep you long. This will be a quick, short video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Did you pick up this bronzer? If you did, leave your thoughts down below. If you didn't, let me know why you decided not to get it. Do I think the bronzer's worth a buy? Yes. I cannot wait until she comes out with more shades, just to include, I think there should have been a shade in between the Mocha Mommy and the Cocoa Naughty. However, I feel like you can make both of them work. I feel like if I would have got the Cocoa Naughty, I would have had to go in double time. But I like this quick, easy fix on in the mornings, you know, for my work day. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below. Give me a thumbs up. And I will see you on Friday for our Foundation Friday video. Bye.